Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make an easy door alarm. Let's see how to make it. Let's go on to the video. Let's see what are the accessories needed to make it. We need a DC buzzer or alarm, a 9-volt battery, 9-volt battery cap or the connector. We have 2 screws and a 1 cloth clip and a small piece of a foam sheet. Now let's start making it. We will connect the 9-volt battery connector to the 9-volt battery cap. Then we have to make a hole here. I will use solder gun for making hole. Make a hole. You can see I have made the hole. Now I will insert the screw onto the hole. Both the sides, and now I will fill the glue here. On the other side also I will fill the glue. Now I have completed here. Now we will start giving the circuit. I have glued it. Now we will fix the 9-volt battery here. I fixed it, and we will fix the DC buzzer here. Now we will connect the battery point here. Now I have almost completed. Now the small piece of foam sheet, I will make a small hole onto it. I have completed it. Now I have taken the connecting cables. You can cut it here. Now I will insert the small foam sheet between it and connecting it. Yeah, now we have completed our door alarm. Let's see how it works. If door pushes, it pushes it and gives an alarm. I will set up this in a door and I will show you now, right now.
Now I will show the working of a door alarm. Now take a look of it. Now you can see the working of it.
Thanks for watching our video. Please give a like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any videos.